Ever feel like your brain is holding you back? Maybe you're stressed, tired, or just plain frustrated with life. I get it. We've all been there. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your brain's potential is simpler than you think? It's all in the way you think. Hey, we're going to talk about how to unlock your brain's true potential, and the crazy thing is, it all starts with something you already have control over, your mindset. Yes, you can literally rewire your brain for success, creativity, and resilience by focusing on one thing: positive thinking. It sounds like one of those motivational buzzwords you hear about, but stick with me because there's some science behind it. Promise, it's going to change the way you approach life. So let's break this down and get into how you can use positivity to tap into your brain's incredible potential. First things first, let's talk about how positive thinking actually works in your brain. You've probably heard of the term neuroplasticity, right? It's a fancy way of saying that your brain can physically change and adapt. This means that your brain can form new connections and develop new pathways, and, yes, unlock new capabilities. And the way you think plays a huge role in all of that. When you think positively, you're sending out signals that activate your brain's prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and self-control. Essentially, you're telling your brain, "I can handle this," which boosts your confidence, creativity, and ability to focus. But wait, it gets even more interesting. The opposite is also true. When you're stuck in a negative mindset, your brain operates in a much different way. It can activate your amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear and stress. This is where you start to feel overwhelmed, anxious, and like you can't see a way out. So, you can see why a positive mindset is the better option here. Now, I'm not saying you can just wish your problems away with positive thoughts, but positive thinking can give you the mental clarity, emotional resilience, and focus you need to tackle those challenges head on. Here's a real-world example. Think about a time when you felt defeated. Maybe it was during a big project, an exam, or an important presentation. When we let fear and negative thoughts take over, we become paralyzed. But if you can shift your mindset and start thinking about what could go right, you instantly activate a different part of your brain that's ready to find solutions instead of dwelling on problems. In fact, studies have shown that positive thinking can enhance performance in almost any area of life, whether it's your career, relationships, or personal growth. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that people with a more optimistic outlook tend to achieve greater career success, better health outcomes, and stronger relationships. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you have the ability to tap into that full potential of your brain, and it starts with cultivating a more positive mindset. Alright, so you're probably wondering, how do I start thinking more positively? Don't worry, let's get covered. Here are 3 tips that will help you shift your mindset and unlock your brain's potential. Tip number 1, practice gratitude. The first step to positive thinking is appreciating what you already have. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It can be as simple as your morning coffee, a good conversation, or the chance to start fresh. Gratitude trains your brain to focus on the good, shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Tip number 2, use positive affirmations. Speak to yourself as if you're your own best friend. We often talk to ourselves in ways we'd never speak to others. Start telling yourself, "I am capable," "I can handle challenges," or "I am worthy of success." Repeating these positive affirmations helps change the neural pathways in your brain, reinforcing your self-belief. And finally, tip number 3, visualize success. Take a few minutes every day to close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding at something you're working on. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment, pride, and how you would tackle challenges. Visualization has been shown to improve performance and make achieving goals feel more attainable. Now, let's assume what you're thinking. Is it really that simple? And the answer is yes, but like anything, it takes practice. The more you focus on positivity, the more you'll start to see those changes in your life. You'll become more resilient, more creative, and more open to new opportunities. And the best part is, the brain you have right now can get even better with a little bit of effort and the right mindset. So here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to practicing these 3 tips every single day. Write down your gratitude, repeat your affirmations, and visualize your success. I promise you'll start to see changes, not just in your thoughts, but in your actions and outcomes. Remember, positive thinking isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about looking at challenges as opportunities and knowing that you have the power to handle whatever comes your way. The potential inside of you is incredible. It's just waiting for you to unlock it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and brain science. Also, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to do today to shift your mindset and unlock your brain's potential? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might need a little positivity boost. Until next time, stay positive, stay focused, and keep unlocking your brain's potential.